All right, guys, this is the next video in my series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit some line layers. Now, while points are good for specific locations on a map, lines are great for pathways and borders and boundaries. All right, so you are going to click layer 3, which should be your first line layer. All right, and what you're going to do is you are going to map out two routes on this map. All right, I am going to map out the route that I take when I walk to school. All right, I'm going to map out the route that I take when I walk to school. So let me start by finding my house. All right, let me find, okay, here's my house. So I am going to click this layer. I am going to click the three dots and I am going to rename it walk to school route. All right, great. Yeah. All right, walk to school route. I'm going to click it. And just like with the points, I am going to go to edit and select my walk to school route. Now, here's how this system works for drawing lines on this map. You start with a point, and it's going to work like connect the dots. So I start at my house, click, all right, and then I go to the next point, click, and it makes a line. And then to the next point, click, and it makes a line. And you just keep clicking and making these lines. And what it's doing is building up a route. This is the route that I use to walk to school. Let's see here. If you click and drag, you can move the map along. Okay, so I moved down Spruce Avenue. Then I go Hamilton, Jenkintown. Then I walk all the way down Jenkintown where the cell phone reception sucks. All right, trying to stick as close to the road as I can. All right, boom. Now I'm on Easton. Now I walk along Easton for a ways until I get to Charles Street. Then I walk down Charles, walk up the hill on Ghost Road, and then I walk to the entrance of the school. And when I'm done, I'm going to double click, and the route is created. Now, this route doesn't turn up very well on a map. So I want to change the style, all right? I want to change the option. So again, I'm going to go to Styles, making sure that my walk to school route is highlighted. I'm going to go to Styles. I'm going to go to Style Options, and I am going to change the colors and features of this. I'm going to change the color of the route to bright blue. I think that'll pop. And I want to make it a little bit thicker of a line so that it shows up a bit better. Okay, so I made it a bit thicker. I made it bright blue. And, oh, what can I do here? I don't need an arrow. And, oh, patterns. Oh, I can make it a dotted line if I want to. I don't like that. I like a solid. Oh, wait, how's this one? This one good? That one's actually pretty good. All right, cool. So I changed the features. Now I am done. And now my walking route to school is clearly located on the map. I start here and then go there and end up at the school. All right, so you have to do two of these line layers, two routes. Maybe you want to do the walking route to get to your local Wawa, or maybe your running path that you want to do, or maybe just a random path around town. All right, don't forget, when you finish the layer, you must save it. Each of these layers are a separate file that needs to get saved, and then save your overall map when you are done. So you need to lay out two layers by clicking and clicking and clicking and just making out a path. All right, good luck.